Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Installing and using selenium.webdriver.common.keys with Python. Introduction. The selenium.webdriver.common.keys module in Selenium provides a convenient way to interact with keyboard keys. This module is particularly useful when automating browser actions, such as sending keyboard inputs to web elements. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing selenium.webdriver.common.keys and demonstrate how to use it with Python code examples. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Selenium WebDriver. If you haven't already installed Selenium, you can do so using the following pip command. Step 2. Import keys from selenium.webdriver.common.keys. In your Python script or project, import the keys module from selenium.webdriver.common.keys. Step 3. Example usage. Now, let's see how to use keys in a practical example. Suppose we want to automate a search on Google. In this example, we use keys.return to simulate pressing the enter key after entering the search query. The time.sleep, 3, provides a brief pause to observe the results before closing the browser. Conclusion. The selenium.webdriver.common.keys module is a powerful tool for simulating keyboard inputs when automating web interactions with Selenium. By following this tutorial, you've learned how to install the necessary libraries and integrate keys into your Python scripts for a seamless automation experience. Feel free to explore other key functionalities provided by selenium.webdriver.common.keys for more advanced automation scenarios. ChatGPT.